Are you tired of cluttered desks, messy cables, and outdated tech that slows you down? Well, say goodbye to the past and upgrade your setup with the future of wireless performance. Introducing the TK-207K wireless keyboard and mouse combo, a sleek, silent, and ultra-responsive combo that's redefining how we work and play. Whether you're working from home, gaming late at night, or just want a minimalist aesthetic, this combo is made just for you. Let's dive into why this product is taking over desks everywhere. First off, let's talk about the keyboard. It features low-profile, silent keys, so you can type smoothly and quietly without annoying click sounds. Perfect for work environments or late-night productivity without disturbing anyone. It's also wireless, offering 2.4 GHz stable connectivity. No more lag, drops, or tangled wires. Just plug in the receiver and enjoy a reliable connection up to 10 meters away. The ergonomic layout and full-size keyboard provide a natural typing experience, while the multimedia hotkeys let you control volume, music, and video instantly. Now, the mouse is just as impressive. It's designed to fit comfortably in your hand, perfect for long hours of usage. With precise optical tracking and smooth scrolling, your workflow will feel faster and more fluid than ever before. And yes, both the keyboard and mouse are powered by energy-saving technology, extending battery life for months, not weeks. Plus, the stylish black matte finish adds a professional and modern touch to any desk setup. This isn't just another wireless combo. It's your daily driver for work, creativity, gaming, and beyond. Real people, real reviews, real results. Still not convinced? Let's hear what real users are saying. I use it every single day for work, and it's never failed me. I was blown away by how responsive the keyboard feels. It's way better than my expensive mechanical one. The mouse fits like a glove and the wireless connection is flawless. This combo looks amazing on my desk, and I love how quiet the keyboard is. I can finally type at night without waking up the house. The TK-207K is rated by hundreds of satisfied customers. And growing fast. Whether you're a remote worker, student, gamer, or someone who just appreciates clean design, this combo is built to impress. Ready to upgrade your tech game? Click the link in the description below to grab the TK-207K wireless keyboard and mouse combo today, while it is still in stock. This is your chance to simplify your workspace, boost productivity, and enjoy the freedom of wireless performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing product reviews and upgrades that make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new wireless experience. Bye now. shopilux.com